Hi, I'm Farah Shahada from 2BTMS. I would like to present the purpose of this report and the summary. The coronavirus pandemic has developed rapidly in 2020 with a significant number of cases globally. Measures taken to contain the virus have significantly affected economic activity, which in turn has implications for various aspects of company. The COVID-19 pandemic is unleashing a new era of change for businesses as well. Companies have seen the effects of high consequence, low likelihood risk firsthand. While corporate decision makers cannot plan for every potential risk, we, as a consultant of the company, examine some ways the company can prepare for any extraordinary risk. In this report, we have stated what business requirements this company need and identify the major control risks for the business processes of the company. Hence, we also have reported about system requirements, which is possible for business intelligence features and functionalities that this company should consider to achieve the business objectives. Apart from that, software selection also important in supporting the business during this pandemic. Software solution must be scalable to support ever increasing volumes and complexity of data from business growth. This makes the software selection process critical to laying the groundwork for a successful implementation for the long term. Spending the time to do it right the first time can save time, money, and increase employee satisfaction. Furthermore, the vendor selection also have been included in this report. There are comparing and contrast the features and functionalities of two business intelligence software packages offered by the three vendors described in this report. The vendor selection is a subsidiary process that allows clearly stating, defining, and approving those vendors which meet requirements of the procurement process. The buying department is responsible for creating a list of potential suppliers and submitting that list to the project manager in order to decide on the vendors in conference. However, the ultimate decision on the vendors cannot be made without vendor selection criteria, so the purchase department in cooperation with the project manager needs to develop and such use a criteria.
Business requirements. Business process refer to the way work is organized, coordinated, and focused to produce a valuable product or service. First, business function in sales market is manufacturing and production department. Store manager and assistant store manager should be responsible for goods in retailer. Other than that, should monitor and maintain store inventory. Second is sales and marketing department, where sales manager decide the goods and the prices and also should maintain customer relationship. Third is finance and accounting department. Financial analyst and accountant should control income and expenditure. Lastly, human resource management does recruiting, selecting, training, control risk for business processes, which is the financial statements are misrepresented due to failure in control system. First, retailers should talk to key suppliers to assess their risk, identify any indirect exposures, and create contingency plans. Second, sales and marketing department should communicate to customer and find new way to drive revenue. Third, finance and accounting department should organize cash flow forecasting and increase tendency of customer to shop online. Fourth, HR management.
I am Divya Ramasamy. I would like to present about system requirements. There are three possible business intelligence features that the company should consider to achieve their business objectives, which are natural language processing, real-time business intelligence, and ad hoc reporting. First of all, what is natural language processing? In the field of computer science and computer linguistics, natural language processing is concerned with the relation between human language and the computer. NLP is a data democracy building. The benefit of querying data with NLP is that using one of our earliest learned abilities, the natural language enables access to complex business knowledge. Next, NLP is an actionable insight. It will lead to a better business decisions by encouraging more users to explore. Such decisions in return will increase revenue and improve productivity. Then, it saves time and money. By simply asking a question in plain English, NLP empowers any user regardless of technical ability to perform complex query. For example, NLP in the business can be implemented by the retail supermarket, most notably by chatbots and communication interfaces. Such ways, retailers in the supermarket can use NLP to simplify business processes and provide the customer with a better experience. Next is about real-time business intelligence. The real-time business intelligence is the use of analytics and other data analysis techniques to give business access to the most recent applicable data and visualizations. Real-time business intelligence software turns raw data into insights that an organization can use in a short period of time to assess the right information to improve decisions and to identify new market opportunities. Real-time business intelligence is often used to find cost-cutting ideas, discover business opportunities, respond rapidly, and provide powerful insight into the delivery of data. Real-time business intelligence is becoming a core feature of the decision-making of company. For example, it is a difficult task in the price-sensitive sector of supermarket to decide the right price that will draw enough customers and enable them to remain competitive. Data analytics, however, empowers supermarkets to price their goods properly. The last is ad hoc reporting. They are designed to address a particular business question, usually in response to a case. Users construct an ad hoc reporting using the data sets more applicable to the issue when the solution cannot be contained in the conventional and static reports. Firstly, ad hoc monitoring tools are agile. Data-driven decision-making depends on rapidly identifying challenges and addressing them in times. Then, they are versatile ad hoc monitoring tools. Users can navigate in a variety of ways through details on customizable maps, tables, and graphs, such as drilling down or drilling through characteristics. It saves time by
My name is Btmp. I will present about the software selection. The software that I select is Sison, Domo, and Tableau. First, the Sison is a software for business intelligence to the small until enterprise level company to analytical solution. You can use the Sison to create dashboard, data visualization, and share to other users easily. Next, you don't need the hardware or IT agencies to unify data into one unified spot. That means you can gather the data to one place and you can find easily next time. And in the session, we also don't need to download the file for the report accessing, monitoring, and sharing. uh, for the session in the mobile phone, you can check the dashboard, data insight, access, and post notification. Domo is powerful to provide a large data set and support for connectors. It is easy to use because in Domo, user can see the real-time information with a single dashboard. In Domo, user also can collect different data to compare it. Uh, the worker also can comment on and exchange result in the Domo. The last one is Table. Table is a software company focused on delivering solutions that allow people to see and comprehend data effectively. Table use the display data to help their customer and they also have 24 hours customer service. Tableau have three primary products. These are Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, and Tableau Online. Tableau Desktop is used to help everyone to analyze and understand the big data. Tableau Servers is actually like the Tableau Desktop, but it is for the business people and it is a browser-based analytics platform. The Tableau Online servers as the addition of Tableau server that is host and this can let the organization exchange data with more safely. That's all my part. Thank you.
My name is Yu Ming Wai. Now I'm going to present our vendor selection. First, I will explain the similarity and difference between the three vendors, which is Csense, Domo, and Tableau. Based on the future of real-time reporting, Csense and Domo has similar function in real-time reporting, which is able to provide data insights and suitable for inventory management. In contrast, Tableau real-time reporting can only provide comprehensive view of what is happening without any data insights. Although Tableau can still display the company key performance indicators, which are usually used to show the company efficiency in achieving key goals, but the indicator shown is not real-time. Conversely, Csense real-time report can monitor efficiency in real time. Based on the second feature of natural language processing, the three vendors have same function by enabling user to ask questions about their data and get answer in natural language. However, Tableau is rely on third-party tools to provide textual description of indicators and insights in the data. The difference of Csense is it enables non-technician users to browse their data and gain insights even they are not familiar with the data structure. While the difference of Domo is it is more customized as users can simply add other less common systems and dataset to their customized non-native boards. After we discussed the similarities and difference between the three vendors, we found that the most suitable vendor is Csense. This is because Csense has more effective real-time reporting capabilities compared to Tableau, and its real-time dashboard is more efficient in analyzing operation data, sales volume, and inventory-related data. During COVID-19, it is no longer suitable to replenish items when the inventory is insufficient. Real-time data will help the supermarket to predict the potential sales and demand for the goods through predictive analysis by highlighting which goods are in demand and which goods are not in demand. Hence, this will reduce the overall inventory cost and generate higher profit by ensuring that items in high demand are always in inventory. Although Domo has similar function with Csense, but it lacks of capability in natural language processing. Csense is more competitive as it can not only answer questions based on natural language, but also interpret data and information in widgets by English, which is suitable for non-technician users to browse data and gain insights. As the supermarket has different suppliers, whether they are from local or overseas, natural language processing helps reduce or eliminate language barriers to achieve consistent communication and better supplier relationship. Better communication with suppliers can reduce potential risk of stock-up. And that's all for my part. Thank you.
The summary and the conclusion. Report on the business requirements, system requirements, software selection, and vendor selection has been finalized. All the suggestions and selections are required in helping the company to have a stable growth and survive through the pandemic COVID-19. While it is difficult to know what will happen next, it is possible to draw on the lessons of the past few months and to see them as opportunities for the improvement. Business need to work on responding to the current crisis while simultaneously building to thrive in a new reality that focuses on agility, digitization, and multi-stakeholder collaboration. The three components are interrelated and need focused strategies to ensure success.